How to change profile picture on Facebook Messenger. The first thing you have to do is open up your Messenger app, and from here, you're going to have to head over to the menu icon that you see at the bottom right. And once you get here, you'll have the settings menu right below your profile name, so tap on settings. And once you land on the settings page, you could just simply go ahead and tap on the camera icon right below your profile picture. You could either take an instant photo or you could just choose from gallery. So in order to choose from library, tap on it. So as you guys can see here, I've selected an image from my gallery. You could crop it out if you want and make it so that it fits. So let's say if I just want to add this much to my profile, you could do that and then tap on done. And once you have done that, you could tap on save profile picture option down below and your profile picture will successfully be changed. That's it for this video, guys. It was easy as that. I hope it was helpful.